Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to go live in YouTube Studio in just a few simple steps. Click the Create button in the top right corner to open the Create menu. A drop-down appears with several options for creating content on your channel. Select Go Live from the menu to open the Manage Streams page where you'll set up your live stream. This is where you'll control all the settings for your broadcast, including your stream key and encoder configuration. Click Channel Level Settings to configure your stream settings and camera before going live. This opens the settings panel where you can adjust your video quality, enable or disable chat, and set your stream visibility. Before you can go live, your channel needs to have live streaming enabled, which can take up to 24 hours after you first request it. If you don't see the Go Live option in your Create menu, head to YouTube Studio Settings and activate live streaming under Channel, then wait for approval. Once you're live, you can monitor viewer count and chat messages in real time from the control room. Your stream will also be saved as a video on your channel after you end it, so viewers can watch it back later. And that's how to go live in YouTube Studio. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.